What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TT. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys some Sephora favorites. This is my official gratis haul for Sephora. I'm a little late, but your girl decided to go ahead and give y'all a video. So yeah, if you guys want to see what items I got, then stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. All right, so the first item that I do have in my gratis haul is a Sol de Janeiro tote, and I actually have two. So I'm going to show you guys because this one's in the pack. But yeah, this is what that tote looks like. A really nice little bag, and I have two of these and I love it. So I do have all my items in here. It's very spacious. You can put so many things in here. So yeah, got that bag. And I'm gonna start off with perfume first. So the first perfume, well, I wouldn't even call it perfume. This is more like cologne. Yeah, don't know why they gave me a whole lot of cologne, but I'll take it because I love a good smell. But this is the Versace cologne. This is what that one looks like, and it smells, oh my god, this smells like a fresh man shower. I don't know, it gives, I mean, I know it's a man cologne, but I promise y'all, this smells so good. Love it. And yeah, I don't spray that much. Like, hint, two little sprays and I'm good to go. So yeah, love that. The next one, I do have another Versace. This is the Versace Man cologne. This is what that bottle looks like as well. Can't remember any spray. Okay, this one has a clean, more light smell. It's not as strong, but it gives very fresh, very clean, but yet more like a, it's kind of like a shower smell as well, like a clean shower. It has cedar leaves, sage, musk, amber, sycamore wood, and white lemon. I definitely smell the white lemon. It has rosewood, and yeah, love this. And y'all, I'm happy because these bottles, they are expensive. Do you hear me? And I'm glad I got it in my gratis bag, honey. The next one is another Versace one. This is what that one looks like. And this one, oh my god, they all smell so good. I think I just like Versace period, like especially when it comes to like the men's cologne. Like theirs is like heavenly. It's like fresh. It gives that fresh, clean citrus kind of vibe, and I love it. So yeah, those were all the perfumes or colognes that I got for this month. I think this gratis haul was for, or this gratis was for August. So I'm super excited to be using those because baby, I'm gonna make it last. Do you hear me? I'm not even gonna be spraying that much, okay? So don't worry, because for the most part it only takes like 2 or 3 sprays and I'm good to go. Okay, all right y'all, so moving on to skincare. So far this is the only skincare product that I got in my gratis. This is the Laneige Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturizer. I haven't been able to try this out yet, but I am going to do a review on down the line when I get to skincare products. So yeah, be on the lookout. But yeah, this is what that product looks like. And yeah, I love skincare. I love a good skincare. So on down the line, I will give y'all my review on that. Okay, so now we're getting into the good part, my favorite, the makeup. The Dior Addict Stellar Gloss, and this is in the shade 840. These are very like glossy. I'm not gonna try this one because I already have a lip gloss, but I am gonna swatch it so you guys can kind of see how tinted they are. So that is what that looks like. I hope you guys can see that. But I love that it gives that light tint but still a gloss look. And yeah, Love that color because I don't really have like a red gloss, but I feel like with the perfect like red tint on your lips, Dior is that girl. Okay. All right, so the next one by Dior is a lip maximizer hyaluronic lip plumper, and this is in the color 004. Yes, 004. You probably can't see it, but yeah, this is what that looks like. Love, love, love. Once again, swatching it, this is more of just a gloss to me, but it still has that peachy tone, but mostly you're gonna get probably like a little gloss, so not very pigmented, but a little shimmer to the lips. Love it. The next one we have, this is another stellar gloss. This is in the color 553, and swatching this one for you. Again, these are very light, so it's not like you're gonna be very pink. I love this color though. I love that. If I did this lip liner right now and I put this on top, perfect shimmer lips. Love a neutral but yet very peachy pink nude color is what I like. I love a little pink, little shimmer to my lips. So yeah. All right, next we have the Capture Total Serum. So this is what that looks like. And basically this is for face and neck. It's a intense anti-aging global age defying intense serum. So once again, I have not tried this product, but I'm super excited to try it. Again, I'm gonna give you guys a review later because like I said, I'm already full face beat. I want to save this for later, so stay tuned on my review. Once again, this is what that product looks like. Going again with another maximizer lip plumper. This is in the color 012. Y'all know I love my pink colors. Again, this one might be a little bit darker than the one we had. And then again, they kind of look the same. Let me go back because I think they might be the same. They might have gave me two. No, these are different, but I'm gonna put them side by side so you guys can kind of see the two. The one is a lip plumper, but they do look similar to each other. And I did swatch it, but you guys can see right here, they do look the same. So these are like my favorite. I love a pink gloss. Love it, love it, love it. Next we are going in with a this is Hydro Life Cooling Hydration Sorbet Eye Gel, and this is by Dior as well. So this is just like a little eye gel that you can put on, which I will be doing on down the line. So again, this is what that product looks like. It's like a hydration eye cream, basically, well, eye gel. Next we have the Ilia. This is an Ilia lipstick. Bam. And this is in the color Memoir. This is a balmy tint lip balm, and I'm just gonna swatch that across. So this just gives that little tint. It's not too pigmented. It's just a lip balm, very light, as you guys can see. Have that pinky tone to it. Love. And next we have the Dior Show 24-Hour Intense Waterproof Eyeliner, and this is in the color Matte Red. So the thing about these, you just pop it off. So it looks like this, like a little pencil. Pop the top off. I'm gonna swatch that, and this is very, like, this is a cute little burgundy matte red. This is where I drew that line right there. So yeah, love, 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 love this. I'm gonna enjoy this because I don't have a burgundy or red eyeliner, and I've never done eyeliner like color eyeliner. I've always done black, so I'm super excited to use that because your girl's gonna tap into her color eyeliner. Okay, period. Next, we are going in with the Dior Show on Stage liner. This is a waterproof liquid eyeliner. Y'all know I love my waterproofs. So yeah, and this is in the color 386, but basically just a little pointy pen and very light but precise lines you could do. I think this would be great to create a good wing because y'all, I've been practicing on doing better in my wing, but I haven't did it on this look. I kept it simple, but yeah, I think if you really want to get that crisp, smooth wing eyeliner, yes, this is what you need right here. And again, very light, but still you can go in and fill in as you please. So yeah, you guys, that completes my Gratis haul that was supposed to be for last month in August. But don't worry, I'm gonna bring more for the next one, and I'm super excited to find out what products I'm gonna be getting for this month. So yeah, let me know which product you guys really like the best out of this haul. Let me know what you guys favorite products are as well. I'm gonna be bringing more content. Yeah, I'm super excited. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. Mwah. I go Maro, I go Koro, I go Koma.